CBS 6's Brianna Sapardi was inside the Utica courtroom today as the indictments were unsealed, and she joins us live right now. So, Bree, there are also claims here today of a cover-up in all this.
There is, Greg, and we'll hear from the special prosecutor more about that. But this is a shocking indictment because the beating death of Messiah Nantwi happened less than 2 weeks after 6 officers were charged with murder in the beating death of Robert Brooks. Brooks was incarcerated in Marcy, Messiah Nantwi incarcerated in Midstate, in the 2 correctional facilities located right across the street from each other. Now, a total of 10 officers were charged today. 2 of them, Jonah Levi and Caleb Blair, charged with second-degree murder and manslaughter, among other charges. 5 more face manslaughter and gang assault charges. 3 others are accused of helping cover it up, allegedly falsifying documents and interfering with evidence. According to the Onondaga County DA, William Fitzpatrick, he's the special prosecutor here. He says Nantwi died of traumatic brain injuries and blunt force trauma to other parts of his body. He was just 22 years old. Now, the next morning after his death, Fitzpatrick said that these 10 defendants met up plotting to falsify the truth.
And the third overt act alleged is that on the following morning at a diner called Raspberries in Oneida County, all of the co-conspirators met and agreed to continue with the story that everything they did was completely proper.
Fitzpatrick also described how some of the defendants plotted to plant a weapon inside Nantwi's cell after his death. While Brooks' beating death was caught on camera, this wasn't the case here. Fitzpatrick said the officers involved deliberately disabled their cameras or turned the other way. Mr. Nantwi's family was unable to attend this hearing, but a spokesperson for the family did attend.
Well, I didn't think I was going to be here again regarding another incident that actually took place in the midst of fighting for justice for Robert Brooks. I think that brutality, it's a normal thing that happens in prison. That a lot of incarcerated individuals put in complaints over and over and it goes unheard of. So now they hear it in an open court that these officers do this repeatedly.
Do you think that there is a systemic and deeper problem with abuse and accountability inside your prisons?
Well, you know, after I watched the videos in the Robert Brooks case, as well as this incident that we're talking about here today that led to the murder of a second individual, from my perspective, I need to question everything going on.
The commissioner for the State Department of Corrections said his department has hired an external law firm to conduct a review of the system, looking at policies, procedures, and training. Now, the DA, Fitzpatrick, he's also the prosecutor for the case surrounding Robert Brooks. He was asked if he thinks there's a problem here with the state's correctional system. He said the similarities in these 2 cases are hard to ignore. Now, all the defendants are due back in court next month. Reporting live in Utica, Brianna Sapardi, CBS 6 News.